Hi, are you an online entrepreneur who feels like you are focusing on a lot of people who you think are your dream clients, yet you feel like you're not able to relate or you're not able to, get your message out there and get those dream clients wanting to take your programs, your services, your offers. This is good for if you are into affiliate marketing, network marketing, coaching, consulting, service providing. We all know that we have dream clients, right? By the way, my name is Arjuman. I'm a business coach. I help coaches, consultants, and service providers to package and position their knowledge, their expertise into a digital business. In this video, I'm going to guide you about how you need to have your dream avatar or your dream client. Having a dream client is something which is super important, because you cannot do a business with an attitude and with a mindset of, okay, my program and my service is for anyone and for everyone, because this anyone and everyone approach can like literally keep you stuck. Do you agree? Let me know in the comments if this is keeping you stuck. Without wasting further time, let's dive deep into this, and I'm definitely going to give you super simple ways for you to understand who your dream client is, so your message is communicated to the right audience, right? So let's get started. Step number one is definitely to brand yourself as an authority in your niche. Regardless of you're a coach, consultant, service provider, affiliate marketer, network marketer, a product-based business, whatever you do, you know, and I know that people work with people who they like, who they know, who they trust, isn't it? And this is super important for us to focus on. And people want to work with experts. People want to work with specialists. People don't want to work with generalists. So it all boils down to positioning yourself in your industry, in your niche as an authority. And that's the step number one. Now, understanding who your dream client is the crucial part of your journey. Who is that person who you really want to serve? What is that client avatar you have in your mind? Crafting this is, it will be easy for you to focus on one set of audience without even doing your business in a way like, oh, my services are for anyone and everyone, because that approach doesn't works. Well, you might have an amazing product. If you don't have the right audience, it doesn't sells. You might have a huge audience, but they are not the right fit for your product, it doesn't sells. How many times do you know that there are people on Instagram who have huge following, yet if they launch an offer or they have something which they really want to offer their audience, crickets, nobody buys from them, isn't it? So this is because building your audience from anywhere and everywhere with an attitude of anyone is my customer is not going to help you, right? So see, a customer avatar is definitely a buying persona. It's like your ideal dream client who is like a kind of an essential profile, who is your perfect client or a perfect customer. So is this the person, and it is this person who is going to wanting to purchase your programs, your offers, your services. So when you understand who your ideal client is, what they look like, what are their habits, what is their interest, what are the challenges, what keeps them awake in the night, what is that which they are aspiring to achieve, in fact, everything about them, it will be easy for you to understand their complete complete habits, patterns, beliefs, challenges, problems, desires, dreams. So it's going to be easy for you to communicate this communicate this message effectively, and understand, talk to them in the language which they can understand, right? And that is what the dream client is all about, right? So the key questions you might ask when you're crafting this customer avatar is the gender. Do you focus both on male and female? Their age, Are your target audience between 18 to 40, or maybe people who are above 50, or maybe people between 20 to 40, whatever it might be, right? Based on what your program is, what is that which you're selling in your coaching, and what is that end result which you can bring for them. So their age, location is also ideal, because obviously, it depends on who you want to focus on and who you are comfortable with. So having a desired location would also be great. Income level, obviously, because when you have a program, when you have a service, they need to be able to afford it, right? So having this desired income level would be something which is ideal. Their interests, what is that which they are interested in? This is important. Their challenges, their problems, their pains, is this something which they are looking for? Because if, for example, if you are a weight loss coach and you help women who are in their 40s to lose the weight, let's say to lose 20 pounds in other 90 days. So this becomes super clear for you to craft that message, because your ideal clients are women, they are above 40, they're struggling with weight loss, like they're not able to lose weight, so they want to lose weight, right? They want to get the desired results, they want to lose 20 pounds in the next 90 days. You understand what I mean? And this is what you will be focusing on. So having this ideal customer avatar is a key, so your message is able to match the audience. And when the message and the audience match, that's where the business happens, right? And why should they buy your offer? What is that result which you can bring for them? What is that keeping them awake in the night? So this will help you in crafting content, which I'm going to keep it for another video. So for right now, let's focus on just the dream client avatar, right? So who is that person? Who do they look like, right? Have a fictitious, picture in place. So it's going to be easy. What are they passionate about? What are their goals? What are their dreams? What are their desires? What are the offers you can create so you can attract them, right? This is important, right? So create the fictitious customer avatar. For example, I've just given an example so I can illustrate it, so it becomes super simple and easy for you. So let's say if my dream client is a woman, I name her as Mary. So Mary is successful, she is driven, she has a message to share to her audience, she values her personal growth over money, and she already has started her business and has some success, and she wants to know how to grow her business. So that's actually my dream client, because I focus mainly on women coaches, who have a message and who can impact lives. So I'm just giving you an example from my audience, right? So this might look like a silly exercise, but it is super powerful, right? So when you do this, it will help you in understanding who are those people who you want to go behind, right? So this is how you will be able to position yourself and stand out in your industry as an expert. If this has helped, like that, hit that like, comment down below and share your thoughts, and share this video for somebody who might be stuck in their journey. Subscribe to my channel so I can come up with more videos like this, right? So if this was helpful, definitely go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you again in my next video. Till then, bye bye.